Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks on my new series for beginners. This is part 14. We've already gone over the tools. We've gone over file, edit, view, and now we're going to do layout. Layout's not that much, so this is going to be a short video that would really be helpful. You can rename your page. You can duplicate the page. You can insert a page. We've got 4 pages. You can do the same thing down here without doing that. You can rename this page, insert a page. So that's your pages. Not that big a deal in the layout. Page size, you can change your page size, but this is going to save it as a default, which is pretty cool if that's what you're going to do all the time. But you can always change your page size there or double click on here and get that same menu coming up. So there's really not page layout, page background, page border, but insert page numbers. This is cool if you do some work where you need your pages numbered. So we're going to start on page 1, and you could have 50 or 100 pages and do this too. Layout, insert page number on all pages. It put a 1 there. You can make the 1 as big as you want, and you could put it anywhere that you want. You could change the font to that font. Now, that's on page 1. Look at page 2. It named it page 2, page 3, page 4. Very helpful if you're making other than something for a document. You could put it, you could hit P, put it in the center of the page, and now all of them are in the center of the page. If you're making something, then what we do is laser engravers, and you wanted to print out a document, you wanted it numbered, you could make it real small and put it wherever you want. It's still going to be there. So that's pretty much all the layout that I can really think of. You can change the page number settings, have it start at 50 and run to 100 or whatever. There's a lot in there, but that's not too much. You can go to page. We've got them named now. Go to page 4, and it's going to go to page 4, but you can do the same thing just by clicking on it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.